The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
This time we'll do home remedy preparation for Yerba Buena, okay? Menta cordifloria, okay? This is just a typical mint plant, okay? And Yerba Buena, so meaning Buena meaning good, no? Buenos dias, and Yerba meaning herb. So this is a good herb. So it has been well known since ancient times its medical purpose, basing from its typical Filipino name, Yerba Buena, the good herb. Okay, just like with ampalaya, there are three simple preparation to make use for the home remedy preparation of Yerba Buena. First, again, is tea infusion. So we simply have to again, all the plant parts mentioned here already thoroughly washed. Okay, and then they should be thoroughly washed because there are plant parts that should be directly consumed. Okay, and for the preparation of your Yerba Buena, it's just an easy one. Okay, you simply have to prepare simple infusion again. Okay, allow the mixture to settle down and then allow the hot water to extract. Okay. Again, for another preparation for Yerba Buena is topical administration. Okay, or maybe you can eat that raw as well. Okay, so you simply have to crush them. Okay, put leaves here with my kitchen mortar and pestle. You have to again crush again in rotary motion. Okay. You might be wondering, sir, why are you not using mortar and pestle first when in fact you can just eat it raw? Okay, this is a very good preparation for children, okay, because Yerba Buena has anti-tussive property, okay, so you do not allow the child to eat raw leaves in its whole set because it might cause choking or mischewing. Okay, so you simply have to, this is for the preparation to those who cannot readily chew the plant parts. Okay, so you just simply have to crush that one, and then this is now good for direct consumption. Okay, it's paste form. All right. Okay. In the preparation for home remedy for Yerba Buena using decoction, it's just very, very simple. Okay, you simply have to get the plant parts, okay, and then allow it to be boiled in boiling water. Okay, just a minute or two. Allow me to increase the heat source, and then basically allow this to boil. And again, same with other plant. You simply have to drink the extract coming from the boiled water here. Okay. What is so notable about Yerba Buena is that its decoction, or its water decoction, is notable for having a minty smell. Okay, so the moment that you begin to do decoction now, there's a whiff of minty flavor coming into your nasal passages, and that's one somehow a refreshing effect of this Yerba Buena. Okay, Menta cordifloria. Okay, and again, you simply have to wait until there's a certain coloration now on the water part. This will ensure that the active compounds or the substances, medical substances extracted from the leaves, is already infused or already released into the water. And let's check if there's already certain coloration. There it is. So there's now certain greenish coloration there, meaning that there's now there's now already an extract coming from hot water. Okay. So that's it.